Today we are going to test food items for protein, which are called bodybuilders. Food items taken are green peas, tur dal, and soya bean. Chemicals taken are sodium hydroxide solution is also called caustic soda solution and copper sulfate solution. First, I will add 10 drops of sodium hydroxide to each food items which is crushed. Now, I will add 2 to 3 drops of copper sulfate solution. Shake well and leave the test tubes undisturbed for a few minutes. This violet color tells us that protein is present in the food. So, green peas, tur dal and soya bean all contain protein. This experiment shows that if a food turns violet after adding sodium hydroxide and copper sulfate, it contains protein.